Hello everyone, this is Programming Arc. In this video, I am going to make an introduction about Firebase database and discuss the courseware I am going to make throughout this month. So Firebase database is a NoSQL database, which means that you don't need to use SQL syntaxes like select asterisk from, where table is equal, where username is equals to this. Firebase offers a no-cost tier pricing plan for all of its products, as long as you do not exceed the limit that Firebase have given, which means it is recommended for developers that are just starting their application. You can view their usage and billing in every product that you use in Firebase. In this courseware, I am going to discuss all the Firebase web features using CDN. I am going to discuss the Firebase hosting first, as there are some features in Firebase authentication like sign in by Google that requires the system to be web or locally hosted. Then I will go through authentication, Firebase database or cloud store Firebase, real-time database, and cloud storage, etc. So I hope that you will understand more about from Firebase in this course. If you like this video, please like and subscribe as it will help me grow the channel. Thank you. Peace.